Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling AssistiveTouch and moving straight into the creation flow. This saves time and anchors the process. Once AssistiveTouch is on, open Customize top-level menu so you can add a custom entry. Make a new gesture and record the motion you need, a swipe, multi-tap, or pattern, and name it clearly. You do this now to test quickly. Make sure the gesture is short and deliberate so the system records the intended taps and drags accurately. You'll now refine the recorded gesture and link it to an action. Record slowly and consistently so the gesture recognizes your pattern. Repeat until it feels reliable. Once satisfied, hit save and assign the gesture to a top-level menu slot or map it to a custom action like double tap. Make sure to test it in the live app where you'll use it, because practical use exposes timing or path errors. If it fails, re-record with clearer starting and ending pause. You finish by testing and optionally mapping the gesture to shortcuts for instant use. This makes everyday access faster and consistent. Once done, try the gesture in multiple apps to confirm behavior and map it to back tap or the accessibility shortcut for one-tap invocation. If the gesture misfires, re-record with more deliberate motions, restart AssistiveTouch, or check touch accommodations sensitivity settings. A key troubleshooting tip. If recognition remains unreliable,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.